Offlive combines simplicity and functionality to meet your needs, making it the ideal choice for efficient email management. Now, let's look at the steps to create your free online account and get started. First, go to the website offilive.com. Click the Sign Up button and fill out the form with your basic information. It's quick and doesn't require any complex details. If you need an email account for your business, Offlive also allows you to use your own domain, such as at yourdomain.com. Just follow these basic steps: set up an admin email with a token, adjust MX and SPF records, and send DKIM and MARC data to our team. You can find more details on our sign-up page. After completing the registration, you will receive a confirmation email. Click the link to activate your account and access your new email. Offlive provides complete flexibility with features like email organization tools, customizable domains, and advanced security protocols. Whether you're looking for a free personal email account or a robust solution for your business. Once inside, enjoy a clean and professional interface.